Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dominican stew chicken. Start with fresh chicken, cleaning it well. Then, marinate it with a vibrant mix of citrus, like lime or sour orange, along with fresh herbs and aromatic spices. This crucial step infuses the chicken with incredible flavor, so let it sit for at least 30 minutes or even longer for a deeper taste. Next, brown your marinated chicken in a hot pot with a little oil until it develops a beautiful, golden brown crust. Remove the chicken, then add your homemade sofrito to the same pot, cooking it down until it's wonderfully fragrant. This creates the flavorful foundation for your stew. Now, return the brown chicken to the pot. Add in your liquids, like chicken broth and a touch of tomato sauce, along with hearty vegetables such as potatoes and carrots. Bring it to a gentle simmer, cover, and let it cook slowly until the chicken is incredibly tender and the flavors have melded beautifully. Finally, taste your delicious Dominican stew chicken and adjust any seasonings as needed. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or parsley adds a bright, finishing touch. Serve it hot with white rice and a simple salad for a complete meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.